guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright guys, today I'm here working the FD a little bit more and just feeling a little bit better, so I left the baby with her. I called someone to pull the windshield out of the car, just waiting for it to come. In the meantime, just gonna start basically just grinding away the paint so we can actually weld pretty good on it. Figured out, I built these things the wrong way, so this part goes, so I had it like this, and see it wasn't clearing at all. It's because I had the wrong piece, and this is the right piece for it. You can see it sits perfectly right there, like it's supposed to be. So now I have to grind out all this paint off on this side and the strut bars in the back, and that should be it. So I'm just gonna get away to grinding it so you can get out of here quickly. I knew this car was hit, and you can actually tell right here where most of the damage was like basically done on the side of the car. So this plate kind of hangs a little too high when you put it on. You see it has a gap in the corner, but you just gotta fill it in basically with another piece of metal. But this is literally why I'm putting a cage in the car, is because I knew the car was wrecked. So I'm trying to make it a little more starts sound. But I accidentally didn't press record, so I didn't record the whole thing. I just sand it down. So I'm just gonna do a rear strut tower and then go to the other side. So this is the driver's side mount. It's gonna weld. It's a little quicker on the inside first. Then welding the outside doesn't warp. Alright, so this is the drivers, passengers. Came out pretty good. Not bad. Got this one's already cooled down, so I can go test fit. It's got a different cool down. But let's go see. Hopefully it didn't warp. I mean, I welded it. I tack welded the inside pretty good before I did the outside, so it shouldn't have warp. But we'll see. Yeah, lighting here sucks. That's better. Okay, so moment of truth. Wow. So now Danny's just gonna MIG weld this into the chassis and go from there for the cage. So I ran out of time. The car needs to be tomorrow, getting the cage done. So all I'm gonna do is put the suspension in the front somewhat together. I've been waiting all day on this package from UPS for the steering rack and the steering rack mount. So I'm just gonna have to get on the floor and somehow like hold everything in place so it don't move. I won't be able to turn the steering wheel anyways, but I can get the car rolling. I need to put in the trailer. I need to get it off the quick jack. So it's gonna work on the front end, put the tie rods in, and lower it, and then I have to move all these cars out of the way to get the FD down. So the rack just showed up. I got it mounted in. Couldn't mount the part down there to the column because I don't have the key for it yet. So now I just gotta put these on. I already cut it a little bit, cleaned it up so it still goes into the threads. So I just gotta put them on, somehow eyeball the alignment, and then get this thing on the floor. Tie rods in, that the toe adjusted somewhat good. Not too bad. Just eyeballed it. Not too bad. Looks so good. Might keep it red, not sure yet. Not really into red cars, but we'll see. This thing's still waiting on some parts, but I just cannot get over how good it's looking. Hopefully it's running next week. After that, the blue first back in the streets and 100% smoking mic. And on my dad's car, we're waiting in the clutch so we can put the engine back in it. This thing looks so good. Now I just gotta get the body kit for it. Just gonna load it up real quick. Get the bumper out so I don't mess it up, because it's still a little shitty. It's gonna end up pulling with a Jeep. Just so we're gonna break our backs, we've been pushing cars all day, and we're old people now. But this thing's crazy. It literally came as a shell, and it's almost there now. The cost of the trailer, super cold. I don't like this weather. I want to move to Florida because of it. Well, now I'm just gonna close the shop up and go home. Maybe tow the car a little bit around the area because I mean it looks so good, and I'm not gonna be able to see it for a couple of days, so I'll go flex it a little bit.